Mary's question is, so you write the trust and then, phew, that's done. And then you go merrily about your life for another 20 years. There are times that you should think about at least reading it. I know that's hard. If you're lucky, your lawyer sent you a letter that explained it and you could read the letter. Presumably the letter is in English. So cases where people come to me, often when the child grows up, so they've named people to take care of the child, the guardian, they haven't named the child as the agent on the health care, they haven't put the child or the children in charge. So if you get to the point where you feel that your children have gotten old enough and are actually responsible, and preferably somewhat nearby, that would be a time to change your trust. If you've become a lot wealthier or a lot poorer, then say you got wiped out by the market and you had all sorts of fancy tax planning, and now you really don't need tax planning, you might do well to go rewrite it. If people, as Angie was saying, people have died or people have been born. One of the things that I feel, it's all very well that you've done all this tax planning, and it's all very well that you've taken care of your children, however whoever you want to take care of, you've done it. I think that also your document shouldn't hurt anybody's feelings. So if you have in your document the name of 2 of your grandchildren, and you've had 3 more since then, you at least need to do something. Even if you don't go back to the lawyer, you need to do something on a piece of paper that acknowledges that you have 5 grandchildren, not 2, because, what am I, chopped liver? I mean, I thought Grandma and I had a good relationship, and she didn't even bother to mention me in her document. You might decide that, the grandchildren are getting to be teenagers and might be, going to college or something. You want to give them $5,000 each. That sort of thing. So if your finances have changed, if your life situation has changed, if the tax law has changed, right? 3 months ago, your estate was taxed at $3.5 million. Now it's not taxed unless it's $5 million. 2 years from now, we don't know what the heck it will be, but it probably will stay at $5 million. Those are pretty significant changes. The other thing that I worry about is that they change little pieces of the law that the layperson just doesn't know about.